Hey guys, this is Abe from SKILLZ. I have another camp game for you guys today. This one is going to be called Bowling for Ninjas. This is one of our favorite games that we play. Super simple. All you really need is maybe 4 instructors, 1 for each corner of the room, or even 1 instructor and 3 students to field each one of the corners. And then also a medium-sized ball, or a yoga ball like this. All right. The way we play is all the students are going to be in the middle of the mat. They have to stay on the mat. And then we're just going to throw the ball at them. Okay? Our goal is to hit them. Their goal is to not get hit. Because if they do get hit, then they're out and they have to have a seat on the wall. Right? The last student remaining on the mat that has not been hit by the big yellow ball is the winner. Alright, so we have our 4 corners set up. I'm in one. We got Mr. Noah, Frankie, and Hunter. And then we have our 3 students in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and show you real quick how we play Bowling for Ninjas. Are you guys ready? Sure. Right, ready, and go! So we're just throwing the ball, trying to hit one of the students. And, oh, got one. Alright, so Juju's out. Alright, and we have 2 left. Ready, go! Oh, almost. Oh no. Oh, he missed. Oh, and he got her. Alright, so Ethan's the last one, and so Ethan would be the winner of that round. Awesome job, Ethan. Alright, 3 takeaways for this drill. 1, we're going to want to make sure that when we're going to be hit by the ball, try not to jump. I know it's really hard to do that, but sometimes if you throw the ball, your feet are going to get hit, your feet get taken out from under you, and you land really hard on the mat, so try not to jump. We also want to make sure that we are using our eyes, looking around. There's going to be a lot of kids moving about, so the more we can use our eyes, the better chance we stand of not running into anybody. And last but not least, if we're working one of the corners, we always want to make sure that we show control when we throw the ball. Right? Try not to aim for the head. Also, don't aim for the ankles. You want to aim in between, right? With control as well, so that you're not hitting super duper hard. Last but not least, we're going to go through this game at least 3 or 4 times because the kids love it.